In this video, we will continue looking into how to tell if line segments are congruent, angles are congruent, right angles, and all of those things. First, which segments to the right are congruent? You can see by these tick marks here, AB is congruent to DE, so AB is congruent to DE. Next, which angles to the right are congruent? Well, you can see the markings here. So angle A and angle D are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle D. Next, can one assume that CB is congruent to FE? You cannot, because you're not told that they are congruent. These do not look congruent, but even if they did look congruent, you cannot assume that without being told in the givens. Can one assume that DFE is a right angle? No. This does look like a right angle, but you cannot assume that without being told. Now we're going to work on a mini proof down here. Given these, what is the measure of angle NKM? NKM. First, HG is perpendicular to GI. Therefore, angle HGI is a right angle because perpendicular lines form right angles. KL and KM are perpendicular. Therefore, angle LKM is a right angle because, again, perpendicular lines form right angles. Angle HGJ is congruent to angle LKN. HGJ is congruent to angle LKN. You can make this arc here, or you can put a tick mark. I usually put tick marks. So now we know that the measure of angle HGJ is 70. The measure of angle HGI is 90. So then the measure of angle JGI is 20 degrees. And over here, again, the measure of angle LKM is 90 degrees. The measure of angle LKM is 90. The measure of angle LKN is 70 because it is congruent to angle HGJ. By subtraction, 90 minus 70, the measure of angle NKM is 20 degrees. And that is a small proof. Remember, a proof is just a thought process that you write down how you got to your conclusion.